Meaning of ethyl.
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 Ethyl. Ethyl is a chemical prefix used to describe a two-carbon alkyl group, which is derived from ethane. This prefix is commonly used in organic chemistry to specify the presence of this particular group in a molecule. Ethyl molecules can be found in many commonly used household products such as gasoline, solvents, and paint thinners. They are also used in the production of plastics, pesticides, and pharmaceuticals. Although ethyl compounds have many practical applications, they may also pose health risks if inhaled or ingested in large quantities.